Hey guys, this is Zevin from DMC. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can change the cat color on your Instagram. So let's go into our step-by-step sharing. Okay, sometimes when you are actually chatting with your friends and you're wondering, hey, why their chat backgrounds, right? Their IG chat background as having a different color, or even their text message as well. Their text message colors, right? Is actually different as compared to yours. Yeah, so this is what happened. Mm, if you're planning to actually change the color of your IG message, right, you actually need to double check on your IG setting first. Okay, first of all, you need to double check whether or not if you have already updated your IG settings. Yeah, so here we go. You are going to go to your profile. Yeah, under your profile over right here, we are going to go under the top right. Okay, top right navigations, and we are going to go under the settings. Yep. So right here, on my screen, I actually already updated, okay, my settings. So you don't see that option available right here. But in your case, yeah, if let's say you are double check, you double check on your settings, and above the follow and invite friends, okay, above the follow and invite friends, you should see a settings called update messaging. Okay, so if you see that option, you need to click in and then proceed with the update. All right, so that is the option that allows you to actually have a different chat background color. All right, so in my case over right here, I don't have that with me because I already updated. Yeah, so for those of you, if you yet to update, once you click update and once it's updated, right, that option will disappear. Okay, so this is what happened. So the first step right here, you actually need to click on the update messaging. Okay, so right after that, here we go. You can actually hit go back to your messengers. All right, and I'm going to go into one of my chat window. So right here, if you can see, the background color is actually the default color, right? Having as like gray or white background from them. Okay, I'm not sure it's why it's not loading. Let me just refresh my app. Okay, so this is how it goes, right? The very default color that we are looking at right here, and the chat color, the text color is also as the blue or purplish default color. Okay, so I'm going to show you the demo on how you can change the text color first. So first of all, if you want to change the color, right, you need to go into the individual chat window, and on top right of that chat windows, right, you click on the option. Okay, so over right here you can see the theme right there. So this option will only be available when the moment you actually update the settings in your profile. Okay, so you need to go back to step one if you don't see this. All right, so click on the theme, and there's two sections here. I'm going to show you the bottom section first. So if you scroll down a little bit, you can see the colors and gradient. So the colors and gradients right here, currently I'm using the default version. So, white backgrounds and text is having this color, okay? Bluish and purplish and things like that, okay? So if I change it to sushi color, okay, and I go back, if you can see, the text color actually changed. Yep, so let me do it one more time. If I go to theme and I change it to honey color. All right, so once again, if I go back, if you can see, the text color change, okay, but the background remain as white color. So sometimes if you see that, hey, it's kind of like very boring, right, having the very plain white background, sometimes say, hey, we want to have like a different colorful chat window, right? So same things, we go back to the same area and you are going to use the themes. Yep. So right here, there's actually limited themes for you to choose because this is the the default themes from IG itself. Yeah, so let's just try a few. Maybe let me try the Fast Saga. Okay, so this is the one. Grayish a little bit, yeah, gray color a little bit, and then let us try maybe the other one. If you're chatting with your boyfriend or your girlfriend, wife or husband, maybe you can try to use love. You see, very romantic kind of like lovely background. Okay, so this is some pink, and then we have some love design at the back. This is the one that I like actually. Ocean, not bad as well. I like ocean. Okay, so those people that like diving, ocean should be something that suitable for you. And the one that I like the most is actually chill. I'm not sure why, but when I see this, my mood is like very calm, very calm, very peaceful, and yeah, it just very calm. Yeah. So I'm someone that is very hot on fire. So if I use some color that is like very like this color, I guess. Okay, so this color is like red color and orange color is like you will keep my fire burning. Yeah, but just now the chill is like it is like a very calm mood for me. Yeah. Okay, so what else? Happier than ever. Okay. I'm not too sure why. I'm not too sure why. The design with the title, but I guess so. Okay. Yeah, I mean, if you can see from here, there's only like a few teams right there. Okay, less than about like 20. Okay, so about like 15 plus and so on. Okay, so you can actually interchange the team like based on your mood, okay, or whatever you feel like changing the color, okay, from there, right? But sometimes if you are bored of the existing theme, right, what you can do is that you can actually download a third party IG themes, okay, chat messages theme. So that theme will actually give you a much more broader option for your theme background color. Okay, so that is the one that you can try and opt for it. So if you're bored with like the existing theme, but for me, it's actually good enough for me to actually play around with like a few colors from there. So I'm still currently actually using the default chat theme. Okay, I mean not the default version, but what I meant is like the theme options directly from IG. Alright, so that's all in this video that I would like to share with you a small features on IG on how you can actually change the chat color and also your text color from your IG settings. Yep, so please help us to like and share our video, and meanwhile, if you successfully update your chat theme color, please leave a comment below and let us know as well. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye! Thank you for watching. If you like our video, remember to leave your comment below, help us like and share. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, remember to click on the subscribe button and most importantly, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be able to receive notifications when we launch our new video. See you in the next video.